Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Orbstar Studio channel. In our previous video, we showed you how to install Unity Hub. Now we are ready to take the next step and create our very first Unity project using Unity 6.0. If you are excited to start building your own games, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, open Unity Hub. As you can see here, we are using Unity Hub version 3.11.1 and Unity Editor version 6.0. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. This will open the project creation window. Here, you will see a list of templates you can choose from. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on the Universal Render Pipeline or URP template, as it's a great starting point for modern Unity projects and is fully supported in Unity 6.0. You will notice different URP templates like Universal 2D Core and Universal 3D Core. For this example, we will select Universal 3D Core. On the right side, you will see a description of the template. It says this template includes the settings and assets you need to start creating with the Universal Render Pipeline. The URP is a powerful rendering pipeline that allows you to create high quality graphics that run efficiently on various platforms. Click on the Universal 3D Core template to select it. You can click Read More to get extra information about the template. Now let's configure our project settings. Under project settings, you will see project name. Enter a name for your project. I will name it My First Unity Project. Next, you will see location. This is where your project files will be saved. Make sure to choose a location you can easily access. You will also see Unity organization. You can leave this as the default organization or select your own. Finally, you have two options: connect to Unity Cloud and use Unity version control. For now, we'll leave this unchecked. Unity Cloud and version control are advanced features that we'll cover in future videos. If you would like to connect to Unity Cloud, you can check this box. Once you have set your project name and location, click the Create Project button. Unity will now create your project, which may take a few moments.
One eternity later.
Once it's done, Unity will open and you will be ready to start building your game. Now that Unity has opened, you will see the main Unity interface. We'll explore this in more detail in our next video, but now let's take a quick look. You will see the scene view where you will build your game world, the game view where you will see how your game looks when it's running, the hierarchy window which lists all the objects in your scene, and the project window where you will manage your assets. We'll go into more details on each of these in the next video. And that's it. You have successfully created your first Unity project using Unity 6.0 and the Universal Render Pipeline. In our next video, we will dive deeper into the Unity interface and start exploring the basics of game object manipulation. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. If you have any questions or ideas for the future videos, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.